Ladies and gentlemen, you are not ready for this.
Welcome to the City of Destiny. Nestled between the lush emerald peaks of the Eastern Ghats and the deep sapphire expanse of the Bay of Bengal, Visakhapatnam, or Vizag, is more than just a port city. It is a living tapestry of ancient history. Maritime might and serait naturellement. As the largest city in Andhra Pradesh, it holds the title of the Jewel of the East Coast. And today, we are going to explore why this coastal haven has captivated travelers for centuries. The name itself carries a divine echo. Legend tells us of an Andhra king who, captivated by the beauty of the shore, built a temple for his family deity, Lord Vishakha, the god of valour. While that temple may now be lost to the tides. From the 6th century BCE, Vizag was a vital part of the Kalinga Empire. It has seen the rise and fall of the Cholas, the Pallavas, and the Mughals, even the Europeans, the Dutch. The French and the British recognized its strategic value, leaving behind a colonial footprint that still whispers through the old town's architecture. You cannot speak of Vizag without mentioning the sea. It is the headquarters of the Indian Navy's Eastern Naval Command. As you walk along the famous beach road, you'll encounter a sight unlike any other in South Asia, the INS Ursura Submarine Museum. This decommissioned Calvary-class submarine stands proudly on the sands of Araku Beach. Pressurized world of naval heroes. Just a stone's throw away is the Tu-142 Aircraft Museum, where you can marvel at the Bear, a massive maritime reconnaissance aircraft. Together, these monuments serve as a powerful reminder of the city's deep-rooted connection to the ocean and those who protect it. But Vizag isn't all steel and salt air. It is a city of hills. Take the ropeway up to Kailasagiri, a hilltop park offering a panoramic view that will leave you breathless. From here, the city looks like a miniature map. Framed by the iconic dolphin's nose, a massive rock formation that resembles a dolphin leaping into the sea. If you crave tranquility, head north to Vishakha Beach. Known for its golden sands and curling waves, it's a paradise for surfers and dreamers alike. And if you venture further inland, the landscape shifts. The Bora Caves, millions of years old, house breathtaking stalactite and stalagmite formations, hidden deep within the Ananthagiri Hills. It is a reminder that nature is the greatest architect of all. It is a reminder that nature is the greatest architect of all. And then there is the food. The aroma of spicy Andhra seafood, the legendary Chepala Pulusu, mingles with the scent of fresh filter coffee. Whether it's a high-end restaurant overlooking the sea or a humble stall serving Muri mixture on the beach. The flavors of Vizag are as bold and unforgettable as the city itself. the adventure, or the quietude of the waves, one thing is certain: the City of Destiny will leave an imprint on your heart. Thank you for journeying with us through the jewel of the East Coast.